everyone, this is Miss D. Today I'm going to do a cooking tutorial on how to make a lumpia roll. I'm going to use a lumpia Shanghai mix by Mamacita that you can find from any oriental stores out there or your friendly commissary. In the back of this pack are instructions that you can follow. I will also put a twist with my own version. Keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. In my recipe today, I'm going to use 3 pounds of beef. For every 3 pounds of beef, you also use 3 mix. So it's 1 mix per 1 pound of meat. And for every mix, you're also going to use 1 egg. So for 3 pounds, I'm using 3 eggs. I'm probably going to use 2 of the spring roll shells. You can find this in your commissary or the frozen section of any oriental store. We're also going to use bean sprouts, however many you want. 1.5 pounds of baby carrots, half of this green bell pepper, and half of this onion. We're also going to use salt and pepper to taste. The next step is washing our pepper. I wash my pepper real good and cut it into square. Then food process it. The next step is cutting your onion like so, and food process it too. Next step is washing and draining your baby carrots and food processing it too. Next step is mixing all ingredients. Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly. In the bowl is 3 packs of Lumpia Shanghai mix. I also have 3 pounds of ground beef, 3 eggs, half of large green pepper, half of large onion, baby carrots in the bottom, dash of salt and pepper, and it's ready for mixing. The next step is wrapping the meat. I cut the wrappers into 2 diagonally, like so. So you're gonna get 2 triangles. Next is you get a sheet, place it down on your tray or plate, scoop a teaspoon and a half of meat, spread it, grab a little bit of bean sprout, top it up. This is how you fold. Make sure your meat is on this side. Put this side on top like so, touching the other one. Then pull the bottom and start rolling to the end of the tip of the triangle. Here you go. You have a rolled up lumpia ready to brown. I don't wet the side because it will stick in there anyway when you fry it. In a low to medium heated pan, brown your lumpia on both sides. It will take about a minute to a minute and a half to brown each side. You want to make sure that it's cooked all the way with a golden brown crisp on it. After that, we placed it in a bowl like this to drain extra oil out. Placed it standing up, like so. In my home, we use the banana sauce from the Oriental store or your friendly commissary, or the chili sauce, maple oil, for dipping. Here you go, everyone. Your Mamacita mix lumpia with a twist. I hope you enjoyed the video. And this is Miss D saying, enjoy eating your lumpia.